National Aeronautics and Space Administration has selected 2 new missions to Venus, Earth's nearest planetary neighbor. They're part of NASA's Discovery program, which aims to understand why Venus became an inferno-like world despite the fact that it has so many other characteristics in common with our own, including an ocean and an Earth-like climate. Venus may have been the first habitable planet in the solar system, complete with an ocean and an Earth-like climate. These investigations are the final picks from 4 mission concepts NASA picked in February 2020 as part of the agency's Discovery 2019 competition. A competitive peer review procedure was used to choose the 2 missions, which were chosen based on their prospective scientific value, as well as the practicality of their proposed development plans. It will now be up to the project teams to complete the finalization of their requirement documents, drawings, and development plans. NASA is awarding $500 million each mission for development. Each of these vehicles is projected to debut between 2028 and 2030. The missions that have been chosen are as follows. Davinci Plus is a software program that allows you to create a digital masterpiece. Deep atmosphere Venus investigation of noble gases, chemistry, and imaging. Davinci Plus is a planned expedition to the planet Venus that will consist of an orbiter and an atmospheric probe. NASA picked it to be a member of their Discovery program on June 2, 2021, along with another project, the Veritas mission, which will also conduct research on Venus. Davinci Plus will launch an orbiter and a descent probe to Venus as part of its mission. During its fall, the descent probe will research the chemical composition of Venus's atmosphere and take images, while the orbiter will scan Venus in different wavelengths from above. It's expected that the Davinci probe will fly through Venus's atmosphere, sampling the atmosphere and transmitting measurements back to the planet's surface. Understanding the atmosphere's origins, evolution, and differences from the atmospheres of the Earth and Mars are all aided by these measurements. The observations taken by Davinci Plus will be used to research the possible history of water on Venus, as well as the chemical processes at action in the planet's lower atmosphere, which has yet to be explored. It will take high-resolution photographs of the planet's rigid landscape before arriving at the surface, which will be the first images of the planet's surface since the Soviet Venera 13 lander landed there in 1981. It will also gather information for research into the planet's origins, as well as its tectonic and weathering histories. Davinci was one of many proposals made in 2015 from what may be mission number 13 of NASA's Discovery program, and it was selected as a finalist. The proposed budget for Discovery Mission 13 was $450 million. According to NASA, Davinci was picked as one of 5 finalists on September 30th, 2015, and the announcement was made on October 1st, 2015. Lucia and Psyche, 2 competing mission concepts, defeated Davinci on January 4th, 2017, and was selected as the 13th and the 14th Discovery missions respectively. Space explorations, discoveries in the unknown, and questions about our existence. If these intrigue you, then subscribe to our channel, Facts Pulse, and keep exploring the vastness of the universe. In June 2021, NASA announced that Davinci would be one of the next Discovery-class missions to be launched. A team of scientists from the Davinci Plus spacecraft will investigate how Venus's atmosphere arose and subsequently altered through time, as well as what happened to any water that was originally supposed to have existed on the planet. The discoveries will aid scientists in understanding why Venus and Earth developed in such disparate ways, and they will provide as another point of comparison for research into rocky exoplanets, which is now underway. Considering the history of volcanic activity in search of evidence of previous tectonic or impact characteristics that have been buried by volcanism. Veritas gravity data, with a resolution of 160 kilometers, 3 times greater than the average Magellan resolution, would allow for the estimation of elastic thickness, a proxy of temperature gradient, and the measurement of the size of the core. It would generate a large amount of high-resolution topography, imaging, spectroscopic, and gravity data for use in Veritas. They would be on par with the data collected for Mercury, Mars, and the Moon in recent years, which have transformed our understanding of these planets. In addition to providing answers to fundamental science concerns, Veritas also provides legal advice. Further, Venus expeditions would be motivated by the data collected. Active surface deformation would aid in the success of a seismic exploration mission. Surface or aerial missions would benefit from accurate topography and surface rock type, which would allow for more precise targeting. A piece of this research was carried out at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory at the California Institute of Technology under contract with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. All of the information offered to you regarding the Veritas mission idea is pre-decisional in nature and is intended solely for planning and discussion purposes. Thanks for watching, and would love to keep you updated on all our future videos. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be a part of our Facts Pulse family.